glow tool. With this tool, you can brighten and make glow your brighten part of your image. It's very easy. We have a different mode, and first mode is a soft focus. It's focusing to the brighten area, detected them, and you can increase the amount of them. And as you can see, it's glowing your brighten part. In advanced setting, you can soften or sharpen them. You can change the brightness of them. You can change more contrast or more blur. You can warmth your brighten part there if you want. In the soft area, it's a glow. It's less glow. As you can see, we have less glow, or it's a smaller version of your soft focus. Ortone effects. It's another effect that is has more power in its blur and glow. Ortone effect soft. It's create more soften overlay of your brighten area. Don't worry about the names, just change them and see which one do you want to your image. Okay, this is not only for brighten area, but also it's for light scene. You can, for example, glowing a light scene. For example, let's try this. Going to the edit, glow and soft focus. And as you can see, it's glowing the brighter area. You can glow it, and in this case, this glow is better. It has a better usage for us because it's the amount of the glow is less than soften focus or big glow if you want, or another effect that you can change the softness, brightness. If you want, you can make it darker. As you can see, it blurs some brighten area for you and create a glow. So glow is not only for lights and nights. It's and it's for day light. If you want, you can use it with different mode of here. And it gives you overall or focus off. It's focusing. Yeah, as you can see, they are blurring and glowing all of the reflections and bright area. You can warmth there here. Nice. If you don't want, you can blur them or give you more sharp to them. Okay, you can play with this slider and approach your goal. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.